That's not good. What the hell is going on there? That's not good. Come on, baby, wake up, wake up, wake up. Wake up. She's tired. He's tired. Let me get some. Ooh. Hello, boys and girls. How y'all doing? Look at this. I'm back. Holy crap. Yeah, it's been a few weeks. Woo. And wait, a little buddy here, he's choking. He doesn't want to get moving. He's been sitting for 3 weeks. So here I am back out on the road again, and this is gonna be a short one because time is of the essence today. So yeah, I'm back for my little trip. I was gone for 3 weeks. You did see the last video I put out, and well, hey, here I am, and I got some news I want to share with y'all. Things are good. Oh man, what's wrong with him today? Boy, oh boy, he's like really complaining. Really complaining. I don't know. Anyway. So here we are, cruising along. We're on Tuck again. Wow, boy, he is really complaining. Holy crap. He'll wake up. That's weird. I may have to give him a thorough going over. Woohoo. Anyway, I'm actually on my way over to Brother Tim's house because we got stuff to do. So it's gonna be a short run. Then from there, I will take off and do I'll do a little ride from there to tell you what's going on. I got big news. I hope you all have been good. I have so many YouTube videos to catch up on. It is insane. Oh my God, I watched, I had 3 weeks of videos to catch up on. I'm all caught up with the itchy boots stuff. But man, oh man, whew. Things have been good though. Let me tell you what's going on. As you all know, I had I've got the ranch is on the auction block. It's up for sale. And lo and behold, on the second week of our time up there, in the middle of our 3rd week, we actually got an offer on the property. That's right, we got an offer and we accepted the offer. So the wheels are in motion and the closing on the property should happen on or about the 14th of November. And we should have our funds very shortly thereafter, in which case I've already begun tentative plans of retiring from the workforce at the end of March. Hopefully that comes to fruition. Like I said, all the paperwork is in motion and there are some things to do between now and then, but yeah, things are in motion. It's gonna happen. So that's good. Look at that. I'm gonna retire from the workforce. Woo-hoo-hoo. Yeah. So and in light of that, plans are being made for Sturgis for 2023. How's about that, boys and girls? All right, let me park in front of Tim's house. We'll get back to you later. Just for shits and giggles, let's see if it'll start. Ugh. Come on, you can do it. Come on, start. Well, let's trick it, you know. Everything is fine. It's gonna fine. Just start. Just right up. Oh. Work out a little bit. It shouldn't take more. This shouldn't take what? What's that? It's on. It's on. Hang on a second. First gear, neutral, second gear. Yep. That's what you do. You ready? Say when. Go. Ugh, crap. All right. Okay, ready? I'm sorry. Here we go. One more time. And go. See ya. Oh man, oh my god, that's too stupid. Yeah, holy crap. So why is there a kitty cat in the road? Come on, kitty cat, go. So, oh boy. Yeah, anyway, so I go to Tim's house and I left the key on. Oh my god. So the battery went crap and he had a push start. We tried to jump it and it didn't work, so finally we had a bump start it and it started. Anyway, oh boy, I wish that was too funny. Yeah, so the ranch has got a buyer right now, and so we're going to close on November 14th, hopefully, on or about, and then I'll have cash in hand before Christmas, and then the plan is probably the end of February will be my retirement. I'll retire from work. And like I said, plans are being made for Sturgis, and plans are also being made for other things. But right now, Sturgis is the primary thing. But anyway, right now the primary thing is getting the house emptied, taking care of some trash and trips to the dump, taking care of moving our furniture out of there, things that we were keeping, and things like that. So, you know what? I think I'm just going to go back to the house because I don't like the way it's acting. Wow, it's really acting bad. Ooh, what happened here? I think that's because the bike has been sitting for so long, I got all pissed off. I've never had it act like this before, so this is not good. Huh, I wonder why. I wonder what's going on. That's not good. What the hell is going on there? That's not good. Oh well. Well, it's always something, right? Anyway. So we're, that's it. I do have to make another trip up there. Like I said, I gotta take care of some trash removal. And I have to pack up some things in the house, and that's it. We're leaving a lot of stuff behind, and the new buyer's okay with that, so we'll see what happens. But yeah, I'm really it's kind of bittersweet. We've owned that property for 21 years, and we had high hopes and dreams for it, but it's as I said previously, it's just gotten to be too much. The 15-hour drive is too much. The ability to do the work that we want is just too much to do, and without spending the amount of time required there. I was there for 3 weeks just now, and I got a lot of stuff done, but there's just a tremendous amount more that needs to be done. That's like I said, it's bittersweet. We don't want to do this, but if it wasn't 15 hours away, it probably wouldn't be a problem. But that's what we got to do. Anyway, that's it, boys and girls. I hope you enjoyed this little stupid video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next ride. Oh, glad to be home. It's not a good ride. Oh my God. Oh, what are you gonna do? All right.